Hi everyone and welcome back to Flat Out. Today I'm going to an import and sports car show out here on Vancouver Island. Really excited to see what there is. I'm not taking my car because it says imports and sports cars, and since they mention brands like Nissan, BMW and that, I don't really think the Ford is going to fly in there. So one of the first cars I saw at this car show was this 992 GT3, and it was actually the manual version of the car, so it wasn't a PDK. Very nice, very understated look on that car, but yeah, there were a ton of beautiful. Walking around, there was actually a huge variety of cars. In fact, one of my friends said to me I should have brought my Shelby Mustang, but this was called an import show, and they said sports cars. So after seeing the Corvette and the Viper, I did wish I brought my car to this. But that aside, there were tons of, imports, there were tons of muscle cars, there were tons of exotics. It was really, really cool to see. That picture's at the show. Amazing. This R33 GTR was definitely one of the coolest cars at the show. So it has been converted from a twin turbo to a single turbo, and the owner tells me this is making about 700 wheel horsepower.
Little man's like, can I have that?
Yeah, pretty much.
Chance to talk to him about it. It's a great story.
Initial D.
Well, you need to find the path.
We decided to go around the car show one last time because we're waiting for the rev battle to start up.
No, man, is it the car or the US?
This was my favorite car at the show. This was a 2022 R8 V10. And I really liked the green wrap with all the carbon accents. It really made this car stand out to me. And it was also on some of my favorite rims, which were these Vorsons. The first car up was this Toyota GT86. Next was this red 350Z.
Yeah. Classy, very classy.
After
thank
was
you for
this
coming.
wide body Mark V Supra.
Is that an M3?
Next was this turbocharged E30 BMW. Next was this Datsun 240Z. I really like the sound of this Cam C6 Corvette.
3, 2, 1, let it rip.
That's truly frightening.
Next, this unique Toyota Sora.
We're gonna do 2 different ones. Ready for it? All right, 3, 2, 1, go!
Now Now, if you couldn't tell, this car is turbocharged and supercharged. And now my favorite car here, R8
I
VTEC.
hope it's not a drive.
Launch control. It's not a Mustang. Come on, guys. Countdown from the crowd. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
So I just got back from the car show. It was actually really a lot of fun, and I could have taken my car, as I said in the video, unfortunately, so next time. But other than that, it was a lot of fun. The Red Battle was really cool. Definitely the best car to me was that Audi R8 V10. I love the color, I love the sound, and I don't think the video actually did it justice with just how loud it was. But yep, I'll see you in the next one, and if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment for more. I'll see you guys later.